Hi guys, my name is Brad and today we're going to be looking at how to use the model product generator within i2i. For the model product generator to work, you need to select a couple of these options first and fill them out. To start off with, we're going to go into maintain product model. With this, you need to enter a model ID along with your model description. We'll use Brad's t-shirts for the purpose of the video. Every time you select one of these, you want to make sure that they're active, otherwise you won't be able to find them within the generator. Same with the size category. I can see that again we already have a couple set up for the purpose of the video. We're just going to make a few. We find that this feature is most helpful when you're trying to mass update products into the inventory. With this, it does save you from making products, making a fresh product every now and then. So overall, you're going to need to make the model, the size category, the size itself, the colour, the brand, and maybe the season as well. We'll go through all of them in today's video, just to show as a reference anyway. When you're putting in the size, you want to make sure you've selected your category that you've made. Obviously in this case, men's t-shirt. I've made small and medium, just so we've got a bit of variety for when the products generate. After you've made these, same again, you make sure they're active and close it down. You can have as many colours as you want, or any categories or sizes. There's an infinite amount of numbers you could have. There's no sort of limit there. Once we have our sizes, our colours and brands, we'll then go into the generator. The brand and season isn't necessarily essential in order to make the product, but you can do if you'd like to. For the purpose of the video, we'll do them all anyway, just so we can see the system working. We're just going to do the season now. As you can see that there is no season set up, so we'll just say summer, because obviously it's a t-shirt. Just call it summer. Once these have all been done, you're going to go into model product generator. You just select that option and then you get greeted by a couple of these. You can fill all of this in. I'm just going to use basic ones that you need. Item type I've just left as for. A product group I put it as all, so it'll appear for everything. You then want to select your supplier and your model number. This model number is important, and this will be the start of every part number that you have. It'll lead with your model number. It'll lead by the, it'll generate it like so, which we'll see in a second. So just pop in the details, that you've entered in previously, and then once you're happy, click generate part. Generate the part, and you want to put a separator in there. This is how you identify what your part is, and then just generate parts. You'll be greeted by a couple of tick boxes. Just tick those and say yes, and then it'll take you into the inventory where your parts are waiting.